played professionally, but he's got the better here of Konoplyanka, and that's why Nadir Louane is one to watch, and it's he who scores inside the first minute for the Moroccans.
And that is why, Patrick, he is the Corona de Oro, and he is showing the mark of a champion.
Fouad. And now Nadir, it's put away, his second, it is gambling with no keeper, this is surely 3-0, it is the hat-trick for Nadir! That's why he's the Corona d'Oro, and already there are some streamers away to my right, waving as if to say, bye-bye Ukraine. Nadir has his second goal in this power play, it's 3 all told, feeling a little bit fatigued, 3-1 here for Morocco, they've got to make the most of it, they surely will, and they do, slot it home, and that's a big lead now afforded to them by Zakaria Adrab, he couldn't really miss.
Yeah, just when we're talking about Ukraine doing their very best to just try and...
It's the road 2. That's a lovely ball through, so yes! And who got the assist? It was that man Nadir.
And it's thanks to him.